Unfortunately, majority of Nigerians, especially the youths, who fought with patriotism to reset their country through the ballot box, are now wondering if elections have become the tool for legitimizing the corrupt to take over Nigeria. This dark cloud of anguish arising from the terribly mismanaged 2023 general elections has jolted the confidence and hope of many Nigerians, thus propelling us as citizens of conscience to take this bold step of beginning to resist and mitigate the intended and unintended crisis looming over our dear country.
Once again, there's a lot. The acronym "go to the court" these days is now shameful. When people tell you go to the court, they are telling you that that's the end of the matter. Somebody will steal your yam and say go to the court. On what basis are those statements being used? That's the level of ridicule that the judiciary has been brought to. And as Nigerians, we all need to come out to rescue the judiciary. Or else, there will be no need to continue to, go to court.
Whenever a thief steals their stuff and you challenge him and he tells you, go to court, you know that something is wrong with the judicial system. It's either he knows the judges or the judicial system of that country is highly compromised. And the Nigerian Labour Congress and the civil society organizations have risen up to the occasions.
In the words of Nelson Mandela, we wish to remind Nigerians that the theft of an election is not an attack on the people's right to vote, but on their dignity and their humanity. Consequently, we wish to call on all Nigerians to stand up, join us, and be counted in our renewed struggle for the defense of democracy and the rule of law in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
And after the February 25th, 2023 Nigeria presidential election and gubernatorial elections, highly compromised, corrupt, displayed the inept electoral system in Nigeria and the electoral body, as cried out by civil societies and international communities. The Nigerian Labour Congress have risen up to tell the Nigerian judiciary that all eyes are on them, and if they fail to act to redeem the image of the judiciary, that they will
set so many states and institutions on fire. The judiciary has set Imo State on fire up to now. People are asking, how can a person who is not a candidate of his party be declared governor? The judiciary has so many questions to answer. If they fail to answer those questions within a short time, we will create a hall of shame for those judges that come up with such judgments.
Welcome to Open Whispers channel. We critique us, see something, say something, and most importantly, do something. When the uninitiated throw stone at the masquerade, you know that the masquerade has overstayed in the arena. Most importantly, when a nation lacks vision, that nation perishes. The common palace, they are saying that if the election has come and gone, and the wrongs done by the electoral body, INEC, is obvious to everybody, that all eyes are on the judiciary to do the right thing. It's not the Nigerian electoral system that is on trial. It's the judiciary that is on trial. Judiciary is said to be the last hope of a common man. Judiciary is said to be the watchdog of the society. Have they lived up to the expectation in Nigeria? The answer is better known to you than me. As the sitting of the tribunal, election tribunal, starts May 10th. The civil society organizations and the MLC are saying that is either the judiciary do the right thing or they face the wrath of the people.
All Nigerians
Do you
stand
agree
up.
with them?
Join us and be counted in our renewed struggle for the defense of democracy and the rule of law in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Judiciary is on trial. Get in the comment section and let me know if you think they will rise up to the occasion or they will still fall below pettiness and do what people say they've always done, miscarriage of justice. This is Open Whispers. Do something, subscribe to our channel for more uploads as we watch the Nigerian judiciary to see if they will live up to expectation. They are the last hope of a common man. Will they redeem that lost hope? That INEC not just rigged the election, but they ripped the child from the womb of the pregnant woman. Until we meet again in this arena. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch.